Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove background noise in Audacity. If you have a recording or maybe something in which you have noticed there's a lot of noise in the background and you want to remove it, then in this video, I'll show you how it can be done. So first, you have to make sure you have installed the Audacity and imported the voice or the sound in which you want to remove the background. Now, what you have to do is you have to simply select a specific part from your sound in which there is noise. The reason for that, you will submit this as a noise and it will remove anything related to it in the sound. So you have to simply select a part where there is noise, then you have to go to the effects, and then further you will see this option for noise, and there you will see this noise reduction option. You have to click onto it, and if you have not selected the part before, then you can click onto the profile option. From there you can select the part. Once you have selected, simply go back to the option. If you want to change any of these options, you can do it. But if you have no clue, then leave it there and click on OK. And after that, it will take hardly a second in processing and it will count that specific part as noise. So in the whole music, if you have anything similar to it, it will cut it. So that's how the noise in the background will be reduced. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.